Hello and welcome to my kitchen. We are making veggie tomato sauce pasta. The sauce is delicious and packs in a lot of veggies. This recipe is inspired by one of Jamie Oliver's. You'll be able to make it a star dish on your menu. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. Put a cross cut on the bottom of the tomatoes and put them in boiling water to poach them so that the skin comes out like so, and then we'll take them out. I'm using about 1 kg of tomatoes. I'm making a large batch of the sauce. Once the tomatoes have cooled slightly, just remove the skin and chop them up roughly. Three tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add in some chili flakes according to your taste and roughly chopped garlic according to your taste. I am adding 6 large cloves of garlic. Remember, I am making a large batch. While that's cooking, let me take you through the vegetables that I'm going to add. Onions, bell peppers, carrot, zucchini. You could add in other vegetables too according to your taste. Just remember that the chopped vegetables should be about 1/4 or 1/3 of the amount of tomatoes you are using. Bit of salt to help the onions cook. So the onions have got a light color on them. Let's add in the bell peppers and the carrots. And cook them for a minute or two on medium heat. Now the bell peppers have released their aroma. It smells lovely. Let's add in some dried herbs. I'm adding in thyme, half a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of dried basil leaves. You could add in the fresh one if you have. Some cracked pepper. Mix it up and add in the zucchini. And now we have to cook this till the zucchini has softened. I'll put the lid on for a couple of minutes. Let's check on it. So there's a lot of moisture, as you can see. And it needs some more time for the zucchini to cook. I'll add in about a tablespoon of chopped olives. These are pickled olives. You could add in black. I'm adding in green. That looks so beautiful and smells good too. Let's add in the tomatoes. Put the flame on high. Season with salt. 1/3 cup of tomato ketchup, half a teaspoon of sugar just in case the tomatoes are tart, and now mix everything together. This is a great sauce in which you can hide a lot of vegetables. We'll bring that to the boil, cover it, lower the temperature and let it cook for about 10 minutes. The 10 minutes are over. The vegetables are perfectly cooked. Check the seasoning at this stage and adjust it accordingly. And then let this cool down completely. Now that the vegetable sauce has cooled down, I'll put it into a blender and blend it. Now you could blend it to a smooth paste, or you could keep it chunky. Blend it as you like. I have it really smooth here. And now what I'll do is I'll store this thick sauce in a clean glass jar, which I will use later. That goes into the fridge. To boil the pasta, you need boiling hot water. Add salt to it and add in the pasta of your choice. Today I am using macaroni, but you could use penne pasta or spaghetti or any other pasta that you have. 8 to 10 minutes it says. Once the pasta is almost done, take another pan, add in the pasta sauce. Now I'll add in the pasta and then I have reserved a bit of the pasta water and I'll toss it all up. The macaroni also had some water in its cavities. I'll add in a bit more sauce. It's totally up to you how much sauce you want, but try and keep it so that the sauce just sticks to the pasta and no more. Check the seasoning and adjust it. And that is done. Serve it immediately. Serve the pasta. Sprinkle some grated parmesan. Drizzle of olive oil. Fresh basil.